So today we will learn how you can increase your website traffic by using Imgur.com and Reddit.com. These are two communities which are usually used to increase your website traffic. First of all, you need to create your accounts on Imgur.com and Reddit.com. And then you need to increase your post karma and comment karma on Reddit. To increase your post karma and comment karma on Reddit, you need to post different type of images, different type of links and posts on different subreddits, and after you will get a good comment karma or the post karma on your account. Once you get a good comment karma and post karma on your account, you can post your website links here, and as a result you will get a good traffic. Most of the subreddits don't allow you to post your direct links on Reddit, otherwise they will restrict you. So first of all, just make your account on Imgur and start creating a post. You need to click on new post and then upload an image from your computer. It will take some time to upload. You can add your website link after the description so that people click on that link and they can visit your website. Just check the link from your website that you want to add in the description. Just copy the link and paste it here. From this link, visitors or the members of the community will be able to access your website. Also add tags. After adding this description, you can share this post to the community. You can also add another image to this post if you want. You can also download it. This is the embed code of the post. You can copy the code and you can paste it anywhere. Now go to the Reddit and just select a subreddit where you want to add your post, and after selecting this subreddit, you need to copy the Imgur link which you have just created. So this is the link which you need to copy. Just create this link, just copy it, and then just paste it in the subreddit URL. Just paste this link here and just write down the title which you want to create. You can also copy the exact title from your post. Before posting anything to any subreddit, first of all you need to read the rules. At the right hand side you will see a sidebar on Reddit where every subreddit describes its rules and regulations to post anything. So first of all, read those rules properly, that what should be your title, what should be the description, whether the links are allowed or not, and after that you can post anything to that subreddit. So you can see I have posted my Imgur link to this subreddit. You need to flare this post by clicking on the different categories which you will see here, and I have flared my post with the recipe category. This is necessary to do. You can see one link karma is here. If someone post a comment on my post, then comment karma will increase, and if someone like my post, then my post karma will increase. You can see here that in my inbox Reddit has sent me some messages. If I have added a recipe post, then it is required that I write down a recipe, a proper recipe in a proper format, the format which is described in the rules of that subreddit. So in that particular format I need to write down my recipe, and then I will have to paste that recipe in the comments portion of my post. Otherwise the subreddit will delete or restrict my post. I will paste my recipe here and I will save it. So now my Reddit post is ready, and now I will start getting my website traffic through this post after some time. This is my Imgur post, and you can modify it, you can add another image to it, you can share it to the community. These are my previous posts. No doubt Reddit and Imgur both are very good communities which have a big number of members, and by making your account on these communities you can get a good amount of traffic to your website. People come and they browse to your images, they browse to your posts, and they comment here, they like your posts, and they also go to your website through your posts. So both of these communities are really good for increasing your website traffic, and I will definitely recommend you to make your accounts on Imgur and Reddit if you want to get an organic traffic for your website in a very short time period. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe our channel for the latest updates on e-learning videos. Thank you.